Papa VooDoo's Boneyard is getting a couple of new characters using a new mechanism that you may find useful in one of your builds. No single prop, no matter how cool, can be truly effective without a supporting cast. I've been anxious to add to Papa VooDoo's scene and took advantage of the extra time at home to do just that. If you haven't yet met Papa VooDoo, I'll add a link here for you to go check him out. Meet our Tiki drummer along with his new pal, a freshly painted totem that will debut next Halloween alongside Papa VooDoo. I want to thank my good friend Robert Risley for the fantastic paint jobs. He really brings my wild creations to life. I've been wanting to put a mechanism together that utilized a bell crank. It's important to keep learning new tricks to keep things interesting. The power for the Tiki drummer is provided by a wiper motor with a pulse width modulation speed controller. Connected to its shaft are 3 linkages that move both arms and the head. Temporarily, I've added one of my favorite simple inline PIRs to trigger him, but he'll ultimately be controlled by the DMX system that controls the entire Papa VooDoo scene. I hope you enjoyed seeing the newest additions to our haunt. If you liked what you saw, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I think you'll find plenty more useful tips and ideas that you can incorporate into your projects. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them all. Until next time, keep on building.